Hi folks, this is Donnie at puppyterriers.com. And the green here, with the green collar, yeah, it's my pretty baby. This is Miss Abby, a little girl. This is Abby's girls, there are 3 of them. And her name is Abby, named after her mother. This little girl in an orange collar, her name is Sky. She belongs to Miss Clara. She's a pretty baby. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. She's so cute. Hey, one fine little baby. Yeah, sure, she's a pretty girl. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Yeah, I see you. Your little eyes open. Ain't got no teeth yet. She's growing, she's healthy, she's pretty. And the yellow collar is Bridget. Uh-oh, turn loose. Uh-oh, it's okay. It's okay, Bridget. It's okay, Bridget. It's okay, Bridget. It's okay, Bridget. Yeah. I know it. Yeah, you get used to it. Sure. Yeah, sure. Look how fast. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, baby. Yeah, she's excited, Miss Bridget. She won that one. She sure did. She sure did. Yeah, she sure did. Yeah, Miss Bridget, she won that one. Yeah, she did. Yeah, pretty girl. Pretty Bridget. Yeah, she's okay now. Okay, turn over. Some pretty babies. And the orange collar is Miss Claire's. Yeah. You done got used to laying upside down, ain't you, baby? Yeah, hold on to that thumb, though. Yeah, sure. She's a pretty girl. Yeah. Pretty girl. Yeah. I kind of pulled them away from their mother just then. And in the green collar. This is Miss Abby. Yeah, Miss Abby. Yeah, throw them legs. Yeah. Learn to lay upside down, baby. You'll have to learn it. Yeah. Mommy wants to check out your undercarriage and all that kind of stuff. You have to learn to lay upside down. Yeah. By the time they leave, they'll know what stay means. They'll know what come here. And they'll know what get back means. They're about 3 weeks old. And they should go around 4 pounds. Pretty well on 4 pounds, I would say. Okay, folks, stay up. Look for the next pup date. Subscribe. And this is Donnie, over and out.